2020 gotta re-up. Flexing on the niggas that don't wanna see me be up. Let me in my own, they don't know how I feel. Deceiver, I'ma win, leave your ass sitting on the bleachers. Got no friends, everybody just some leeches. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video, vlog or whatever. So in this vlog, I will be taking you guys with me. I need to go pick up some inventory. And you know, I'ma design them on some clothes. You know, test them out, see how they look, try it on, you know. And you know, if it's valid, it's valid. It's gonna go on my website, okay? So for further ado, let's go. Yeah, so I'm in a t-shirt place. It is so hot. Basically, how it looks. I'm gonna see. Trying to see what color I want. Basically, the colors I make my words. So they have like neon. They have the money, glitter. This is the glitter I use for my Artie doll set. So I had to run to Mike Goose to pick up a few stuff. Yo, my hair looks so crazy. I want to make baby onesies. Like, I should really get this. Let's try this out today. I really could have went to Dollar Tree to get this gift wrapping paper, but I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna get this bright pink one right here. Ombre. Nah, let me get the pink. Alright y'all, so I'm back home now. It is literally like almost 12 a.m. in the morning. What I've been doing is making some clothing for my orders to ship tomorrow. Today is Sunday. I've been preparing the clothing and packing them. So yeah, so now I'm finishing this video. But yeah, so what I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna show you guys an outfit. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I'm gonna put on my website very soon. I'm gonna show you guys how I press down the outfit with my heat press. Now this is the disclaimer. This is not a tutorial, okay? This is not a tutorial whatsoever how I make my designs, y'all. But I will be talking more about that later in the video. Matter of fact, let me talk about it now. You guys seen from earlier, I went to the t-shirt spot. If you guys are having trouble finding wholesale t-shirts or whatever, you can also go on this website called Jiffy T-shirts. They are very affordable. Shirts ranging from like $1 and up. It depends on the quality that you want, but Jiffy T-shirts is definitely a good spot to get wholesale t-shirts from. You guys to be creative in your own way, have your own plan, have your own style, okay? Don't just see something that's popping and be like, oh, I want to sell that too. No, honey. Have your own style, and that's the only way you're going to win, okay? Become your own brand. Be original. But I'm definitely going to do a dedicated video on how to find a vendor, how to start a clothing line. That will be my next video. So definitely comment down below what specific topics you want me to talk about when it comes to finding a vendor, when it comes to finding some good quality clothing. Now, me with my business, I've been through a lot. Like, I've been through selling jewelry, accessories, stuff, and all that. And honestly, being a fashion designer, it really took a lot of trial and error. Don't think, oh, I'm gonna start a clothing line. If you're doing custom clothing yourself, which is honestly, I really recommend that, to do the custom clothing yourself if you are able to do it, because you know exactly what you want. You know exactly how you want your stuff to be. I honestly learned so much with designing clothing, and it has been amazing. A lot of you guys are asking, do I do wholesale clothing? I unfortunately don't do that anymore. I used to do wholesale t-shirts and a lot of wholesale services I had, but fortunately I stopped doing those services. I focus more on my main business. I don't think I'm going to open another second business, wholesale business, anytime soon. Maybe in the future. So let's get to pressing down these clothes. Some regular biker shorts, plain biker shorts, and a matching t-shirt. I got the doll right here ready to get pressed down, and the doll right here ready to get pressed down. As y'all see, I bought this onesie earlier. I just put doll in it. I could have made this a little smaller, but honestly, I'm just test driving it, you know. I'm just practicing. So yeah, This is a original doll set that's gonna be added to my website soon once my model gets it. I just have the onesie placed here with the doll. Make sure it's nice and straight. And now I have my heat press on. It's on 312. It's actually counting down to 305. But yeah. So I think I have this on 20 seconds. So I'm just first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cover it, then press it down. Then it's gonna count down from, oh, I actually had on, I think, 19 seconds. Press it down like this. And also with the heat transfer, the design doesn't wash off. It depends on the type of material you're using. If you're using cheap material, it's not going to do good. If you're using good quality material, it's going to last. I just peel back. I cannot do this with one hand. And that's how it looks. Alright, so here's a better view of it. Nice and glittery. Now I'm doing the same thing for the biker shorts. Pressing it down. Alright, so I did the shirt. Now I just want to show you guys how freaking good this material feels. Like, this is like a nice matte. It feels nice and matte. Like the words, like the material, just like that 3D feel. It just feels amazing. So this is how it looks. This is just how it looks. Like, I love this. The doll, as I said, I'm just testing out the baby onesies. I'm just testing it out, but yeah, it can definitely be smaller. I can probably sketch something up tonight and, you know, swag it out or whatever. And as for the biker shorts, here it is. As I said, you can see the material better probably with this angle. It's like that nice 3D matte material. It's so pretty. So that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So tomorrow I'm shipping my orders, Regedegler Schmegler, and definitely comment down below what specific advice you guys want when finding a vendor, when finding a clothing vendor. That will be my next video. I love you dolls all so much. Make sure you shop in our dolls vault. It's litty. Make sure you like and comment on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.